Hello everyone, welcome to our daily market analysis. And today is 28th of February, the last day of February 2023. So I'm going to discuss about the dollar Canada for today. Okay, Canada will have some high impact news for today at the GDP. Yeah, later GDP they will release the GDP gross domestic product, which forecasted at 0.00%, which means there's no growth in the GDP. Yeah, from previously growth 0.1%. So it means that the Canadian economy is not growing for this particular month, yeah, for last month. Okay. Also, we will have some consumer confidence in the U.S., which will be rise the consumer confidence of the global confidence of the consumer in the global economy is rising to 108.5 before previously at 107.1. Okay, so this will be what is a consumer confidence is survey to about our 3,000 household which ask respondents to rate the relative level of current and future economic condition including labor, affordability, business condition, and overall economic situation. So if you can see that the price is rising, meaning the confidence of the consumer is better than previous month, yeah, the previous period. Okay, so this will be the main mover for today. Okay, GDP and consumer confidence. So anytime anything result then better than this, it will increase their currency, but lower than it will be lower the currency. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the technical analysis now. Let's see from the technical side. Okay, I already opened the Canadian dollar, yeah, the the dollar Canadian, yeah. Okay, the dollar versus Canadian USD Canada. Okay, so in this particular chart in the 1 hour, we can see that okay, let's open from the 4 hour first. Okay, this is the 4 hour. Okay, if you can see from this stochastic, yeah, from this stochastic, it's still in the middle, meaning there's still no clear direction from the Canadian dollar. Okay, but if you can see here in the chart above my head, you can see that the price is moving just around the 20 period moving average, and you can see from my level of support and resistance level, it quite little bit tight. Yeah, it's tight. Yeah, tight with only the support only 1.3558 and the resistance only 1.3584. It means that it's in a tight range, right, in the last few hours, right. So it means that there's a possibility that the Canadian dollar, people in Canada who trade Canadian, they waiting for this GDP price, this GDP event result. So if it it release according to the forecasted, there's a possibility that USD Canada will move higher. Yeah, Canada will weaker, and then USD will be stronger, and then it reach and break above our support our resistance level at 1.3584. Maybe try to reach 1.3616 from previous movement. So if you can see from the longer time that the trend is up, yeah, the trend is going up, it's higher. So it move near the trend line. So it possibility it move a little bit lower and then it move a little bit higher and try to reach the resistance level. So this is what I'm expecting for today from USD Canada. Okay, from the lower time frame, the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can see that even though this stochastic is moving lower but still in the middle, means there's still no clear direction from the market. Okay, so if you can see from the above, it's already moved below it's still moving below the 20 period moving average, but still the support and resistance, you can see that it's quite a tight range, yeah, because it's the same except from the with the 4 hour one. But you can see that the movement is still in the flat, yeah, in the range between our support and resistance. So it's a possibility that there's a possibility that it's going to be still move in the in between our support and resistance levels, the first support and resistance level, until they release the GDP and the consumer confidence in the USD and the Canadian dollar. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm expecting again for the conclusion. I'm expecting that today USD Canada will move a little bit lower here to our support level, and then it move more higher and try to break the 20 period moving average in 1 hour, or break and reach the resistance level at 1.3616 if the data release according to the forecast. Okay, so that's it for today. Have a great trade and have a great day. Thank you, everyone.